For the installation of the ceiling-mounted LG 100 unit, you will need the unit, the various connections, and the installation manual. The outdoor and exhaust air connections can be set in either of two positions, in a straight alignment or at a 90-degree angle. To mount the connections, first cut out the material of the indicated circular openings and remove the sheet here together with the isolating materials. Then attach the connection using the mounting piece and the 4 screws supplied. If the swiveling cover is to be mounted on the opposite side, first remove the hinged angle brackets from the housing. Reposition the latch brackets on the opposite side and reattach the cover. Before closing the cover, remove the insert from the recess and replace the entire insulation after turning it through 180 degrees. The unit can now be mounted on the ceiling. Position the unit on the desired site of the ceiling and fasten it using the right and left mounting brackets with the help of screws and washers. When the unit has been mounted on the ceiling, the necessary air ducts must be connected. 3 complex pipes can be used for the supply air and exhaust air. First, remove the control housing before connecting it to a power supply. The power cable must be firmly attached to the control housing using cable ties. Once the cable has been attached, reinstall the control housing. If desired, the unit can be covered by a ceiling overlay before the suspended ceiling is installed.